Hi, this is Kenny with Little Giant Ladders, here to demo the King Kombo Industrial and the King Kombo Technical. Like other King Kombo models, there are really only two things that you'll remember to make this ladder operate. It's the hinge that creates the shape of the ladder. It could be here in the stored position or in the leaning position. We'll talk about that in a second. We could unlock it again and use it as a step ladder, unlock it one more time and use it as an extension ladder. Let's talk about it as a leaning ladder first. We'll bring it down to its stored, or what we call the leaning position. One of the great innovations of the King Kombo is using it in that leaning position and resting it on a flat surface. Again, that's a non-skid pad. If you're going to use it on something other than a flat surface, just even pressure on these buttons right here, both the left and the right, will expose this rotating wall pad. And now I can use it outside corners, inside corners, or even against wall studs. Just simply press those with even pressure and lock that back into its storage position. When we use it as a step ladder, again, rotating these hinges, just squeeze those in and operate these legs. Because these are parallel, it's a great feature to get inside those wall studs when you're framing. And when you're using it as a step ladder or even an extension ladder, let's go down to the bottom and you'll see the oversized feet and this great innovation called the ground Q. Did you know that 20% of all reported ladder accidents are simply because people miss that bottom step as they're descending from? So as we're stepping down from the ladder, just hearing that sound lets you know that it's safe to step off onto the ground. We're using it as a step ladder and then as an extension ladder, unlocking that hinge one more time, rotating this around, and now we'll use it as an extension ladder. On this industrial version, the King Kombo has this V-bar so that you can use it on the outside corners or even against a wall stud. A lot of versatility because the ladder, again, it's a parallel in this situation, so we could even access inside drop-down ceiling tiles or access into an attic. To bring it down from its extension ladder position, we're simply unlocking the hinge, both the left and the right, controlling that descent, and putting it back into its storage position. The King Kombo Technical version works exactly the same as the industrial version, with the exception of the feet. These feet have been upgraded to be used both inside and outside. These shore set feet can be rotated around to what we call the spike position. So when using it on a sandy surface, even rocky or grass, you'll rotate it into this spike position, or when needed, you can rotate them back into their pad position.